Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be really fun. This is not going to be my typical day of eating. As most, if not all of you probably know, I live in Australia, so I thought it would be fun to do a carnivore day of eating, Australian style. So on the menu today, I have kangaroo, I have emu, I have crocodile. But before we get started, I just have two things to say. Well, first off, if you're new to my channel, then welcome. My name's Kate, I'm a health coach, and I post videos on a high-fat, nutrient-dense way of eating. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and feel free to share. Okay, that was the first thing. The second thing, I just wanted to announce that I am going to be starting a keto to carnivore 4-week program. It's most likely going to start at the beginning of September, and there's going to be limited spots available. So if you're currently keto and maybe you've hit a plateau in your weight loss, you're still battling autoimmune symptoms, maybe you're still having digestive problems, or maybe you're just curious about carnivore and not sure where to start, this program is for you. So click the link in my bio. You'll be the first to know when enrollment opens. The last thing I want to say is that everyone who enrolls in the first month will do so free of charge, first month only, and limited spots available. So make sure to sign up for the emails and then watch your inbox so you don't miss out when enrollment starts. All right, I think that is everything I wanted to say. I'll see you guys in a bit. So I live in the Adelaide Hills. What you just saw was me coming into the city. I'm actually going to the Adelaide Central Market. I'm about a 40-minute drive out of the city. But yeah, going into the market now. I have some things to pick up for today, aka kangaroo meat, crocodile meat, etc. So, a slight disaster. No emu, no crocodile, lots of kangaroo though. I got some kangaroo steaks, I got some lamb sausages, snags, I got some shrimp or prawns to put on the barbie.
There's plenty of shrimps on the bar.
And then just some other things that I needed. So, this is still gonna be pretty Australian, don't worry. So for my first meal, I have some kangaroo fillets. Kangaroo is so lean. Look at that. It is almost 100% protein. Is that a tiny little bit of fat? So I'm going to cook this in some butter. And I might also have an egg or two with it as well, because kangaroo fillets on its own, meh, might need something to go with it. So I cooked it pretty rare, and then I also have 2 egg yolks. I broke one, so needed to get a photo before I put them on the plate. All right, so here are my first thoughts. Oh, I should probably have a piece without the egg yolk. It almost tastes like beef. Very lean beef. It's not bad. Not great though. I mean, I like beef better. I like lamb better, but okay, so that was super lean and honestly not very filling. I still had 2 more fillets, so I might cook those up now and eat those as well. So I thought it would be kind of fun to do an Australian food quiz. I don't know, maybe this is gonna be totally lame, but I think these are some fun questions, some fun facts. If you aren't from Australia, hopefully you'll learn something. But yeah, it's gonna be a 5-question quiz. Feel free to play along at home and let me know how you scored in the comments down below. Question number 1. What is Australia's national dish? A, the meat pie. B, kangaroo steak. C, roast lamb. Or D, Bunnings sausages. I'll give you guys a second to think that over. Lock in your answer. If you guessed C, roast lamb, you're correct. Okay, question number 2. What does the word Barbie refer to? A, the doll. B, a barbecue. C, a barber shop. D, a type of lamb. Got your answer? If you guessed B, a barbecue, you're correct. Question number 3. Burger King has locations in Australia, but under a different name. What is it called? A, Burger Queen. B, Burger House. C, Hungry King. Or D, Hungry Jack's. If you guessed D, Hungry Jack's, you'd be correct. I think the story goes that when the franchise wanted to expand to Australia, the name Burger King had already been trademarked, and I'm pretty sure it's the only country in the world where Burger King isn't called Burger King. Okay, question number 4. What unique topping is always found on Australian burgers? A, beetroot. B, Vegemite. C, prawns. Or D, fries. Got your answer? If you said A, beetroot, you would be correct. All right, 5th and final question. You guys ready? Where does Australia rank in meat consumption versus the rest of the world? A, number 1. B, number 2, only next to America. C, number 10. Or D, 50. The answer, believe it or not, is A, number 1. I'm pretty sure I just read, where did I have it? As of 2013, Australians ate on average 116 kilos of meat per person per year. And the average for North America was 110 kilos. All right, well, I hope that was fun. I hope you guys learned something about Australian food, if you're not Australian, obviously. All right, I am venturing out into the cold to barbecue. It is miserable outside. Okay, and you guys know I love these grass-fed liver capsules. I take them every single day. They are a great option if you don't like the taste of beef liver but want to get all the nutrition of beef liver. Well, who's one of the owners, he dropped by earlier today and he gave me some samples of some of their new products. One other thing he dropped off was all of these samples of the freeze-dried beef liver powder, and I decided I'm gonna do a bit of a giveaway. So the first 10 people who DM me on Instagram right now and say Grassland Nutrition, all in caps, I am going to send you 1 packet of this freeze-dried liver powder. Get on Instagram right now, DM me. First 10 people are going to get one of these packets. These are just the samples. The powder will be for sale very soon. They're just dealing with a few setbacks with the packaging. But yeah, DM me right now and I will send you one of these. All right, how is that for a platter? Yum. Alright guys, that is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was something a little bit different and I was trying to make it a little bit fun, so hopefully that came across. I hope everyone's having a great weekend and I will see you next time. Bye guys.